Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. Box on the right hand side here shows my commissions $366.75. You'll see under here in the blue box it says 910 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So you'll see that OLSP System is not only working for myself, but it's also becoming a high converting offer for other members as well. More importantly, in this video, I want to show you how with OLSP System, the offer I've been promoting is called MegaLink. And MegaLink is one link where you can earn up to 7 income streams. And the link in the description will give you access to a free video to here by the owner and creator Wayne Crowe. This is Wayne here, and Wayne is helping everyone from absolute beginners to intermediate to advanced marketers become successful and make money online with the OLSP system. So this short 10-minute video here is where I recommend you come and meet Wayne and let him tell you all about OLSP system and MegaLink. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you some proof of the multiple income streams, and a bit later on the video I'll show you exactly step by step how this system works. So I'm going to go into commission, and I'm going to go into my commissions here. I am blurring out the members' information for privacy, and I'll just go back here to the beginning where I first started my journey, and that was on December the 6th here. First MegaLink commission 100%. So you pay a one-time $7 and you earn 100% commissions. And because there are no monthly membership costs, you've got an opportunity to be able to get into profit fast and stay in profit because of the no monthly costs. So this one here, 100% $7. Another income stream is Mega Messenger. So you're just promoting that one link, and then there's another income stream at $10.80. I'll go on to the next page, and you'll see lots of mega links. You'll see a couple more mega messengers. If the member stays a member of Mega Messenger, this is a recurring income one. And there's another one on here. You'll see another one here. It's called List Building and Magic Link, and that's another $7 commission. So I'm not going to go through every single page, but you'll see as we go through on some pages here, not just mega links, but on here there's three list building products sold as well. So everything adds up. Now I want to show you, if I can show you on here, this one here at 25 cents. This is where you can get paid to comment in the OLSP system Facebook group, and that's a product that you get with the MegaLink. So the one here, 25 cents. I'll just show you that shortly. So the total altogether is $366.75. I'll just quickly show you. If I go back onto my dashboard, I'll just show you that product there, where you can get. You'll see a training here. Pop up for a training. We'll come to the training shortly, but you'll see here a live training. There's live trainings. How one link earned one member $14,000. You can watch the replay on that one there. This is the product where you comment on Facebook. And you'll see so far I've earned $5.25. I've made 21 comments. So that product, CD Pro, is a great opportunity for you to comment on the Facebook group and build it up to $7, and then you're going to get your mega link for free if you decide you want to use that product. Let me show you some of the training, because the way really this system excels is not only just with the high quality of products, but with the free training, the replays, the help and support that you get. So first of all, I recommend that you come into here when you join and you watch this free training here. All the trainings are done by Wayne himself. He's been online for 15 years and how he made 10 million in commissions. Excuse me. So I recommend you watch that. That's for free. With a free one here, it's called the 100 Commission Hack. Just click on there to access those trainings. Click on here to access CD Pro, and there's also there's weekly live trainings, there's replays, and there's all these trainings here in the members area on social media, on free traffic, etc. To get you show you how to promote your mega link. Let me show you now step by step how this system works. It's really important to understand the value that you're going to get with this system. And this training here, the link in the description is where you can buy your mega link for a one-time $7, and then when you get access to your members area, you come into your mega link training here. So this training is done by Wayne, and I want to show you how simple, nothing hard, nothing technical, perfect for beginners. If you haven't made your first dollar online, or you want to, if you're looking to do that, if you're looking to get into profit, then you'll see in this training here that that Wayne's drawn a line down here. Now this line is really important because as an affiliate and a member, you've only got to concerned with those two boxes to the left of the line here. That's all you've got to be concerned with, because everything else is done for you. So everything to the right hand side of this line here is a system, the done for you funnel that Wayne and his team have created. That is a complete, everything on the right hand side. So you don't have to worry about any of that. That's all done for you, 100% system. You've only got to do one thing. Only got to do one thing when you join. And that one thing that you have to do is generate traffic. So generate traffic to your mega link. And that's it. So you get your mega link in the top right hand corner here. Your mega link is an affiliate link. You get your own little ID there. Now the training to get the traffic is in the members area, done for you. There's also live trainings, questions and answers, and replays. So everything on the right hand side, what happens is you're going to get a done for you lead capture page. So your affiliate link, your mega link, when you promote it, this is what your prospects will see. They'll come to this page. It's done for you. You don't have to create anything. All your prospects do is put their email in there if they're interested. And then this is where Wayne's system takes over. This is where the automation kicks in. You promote your lead capture page, your prospects opt in, and then Wayne and his team will send out emails for you on autopilot. So if you're someone like me who's got a full-time job, this is all on automation when you're at work, when you're asleep, when you're out with your family and friends. That's all on automation. Now what happens is within these emails, he puts in your affiliate links. This system cost him $250,000 to set up. So your affiliate link goes into those emails on autopilot. And then he's created his own products. And he's going to promote those products for you with these emails. Excuse me. So the products within the emails excuse me, range from low ticket offers, medium ticket offers, and these are going to be your commissions, monthly recurring commissions, all your affiliate links, and high ticket commissions. And at the end of that, he promotes for you, and when someone buys, you earn a commission. That's how I've earned my 300 and I forgot what it is now. That's how I've earned my $366 by promoting one link to my lead capture page. And the great thing about this is it gets even better, because it's even got a support group. So this is what gels everything together. The support group is a Facebook group of 143,000 members. So you're never going to be alone with this system. Within this system here, Wayne's very active within the group. There's also brand new people sharing their experience of earning the first dollar online, the first time to get into profit online, the first time to scale up. Lots of success stories here. And people getting help if they're brand new or maybe they're intermediates. Everyone's helping each other. This is where the magic happens in the support group as well. You're never going to be on your own. And one of the key things to success, and one of the main reasons people fail, is because they feel like they're on their own and they've got anybody to ask or anybody who can help them. And that's why this OLSP support group is one of the key fundamentals to the success of the system. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, well, first of all, I'd like to mention the income disclaimer in the description. So I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what's worked for me and for other OLSP system members. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP system as a member and also promote it as an affiliate. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm currently doing a new video every single day, and I've got over 1,000 videos now on the channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in there if you want to contact me direct through email. So I recommend you click the link in the description and you come and meet Wayne Crowe. This gentleman here, if you're looking for a mentor, if you're looking for someone who's really passionate about helping his members become successful and make money online, then he's a great mentor who can help you. And he's already helped me in lots of ways. I'm learned a lot of new digital skills through Wayne's trainings, and also promoting the OLSP system as well that he's personally created. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.